Alrighty, dudes. I'm up here in Boone, I think, Banner Elk. At a place called, what you call it? Valle Crucis, I don't know, something like that. I'm trying to figure out what to use. I'm not sure what the water here is like yet. Not sure if it's hatchery supported or delayed harvest or whatever yet, but I'll figure that out because first time here. Gotta figure out what I want to use. Definitely jerk baits if I can use them, but I can always start out with the little paddle tails. So I'm gonna go ahead and gear up and let's see what we can do. Super juicy, very bassy, but I doubt this. Oh shit, there's actually fish in here. Just saw a bunch of fry just spook off. I came right here. That's pretty cool. It's pretty shallow right here though. It's crazy. Late harvest. Okay. Alright. Alright. Well, looks like it's still late harvest. Unfortunately, I can't use my jerk baits unless I risk it and cut like all the trebles off of one of them. I mean, it'll work. You'll definitely get less hookups, but I don't know if it comes down to it. I might do it. Come off on a pretty deep pool. I'm seeing a lot of fry in the water, so that's actually kind of a good thing. Makes these waters aren't dead. But this is the late harvest, so the trout should be here. It's just figuring out what they want to bite. All else fails, I'll just cut the trebles off one of my jerk baits and go from there. Alrighty. Cut the trebles off my jerk bait. Well, I just had a trout smack my lure and send it flying. So that's a good sign. Always seem to be on the other side of the bank. Should have. It's coming at it again. Man, dude. He wants. Yes! Got him. Nice one, nice one. Oh my god, that's a pretty nice one. Let's get him to the bank. This is like a dang salmon. Super nice one. What the fuck? First trout here, and it's a freaking chunk. Oh my god. This is a real old trout right here. I'm not even gonna lie. On the single hook jerk bait. He wanted it. There you go. Oh, okay. I was gonna get a nice picture of you, but go ahead and get out of here. Yes! Yeah, that brook right there, that's a super old brook. Old male brook. Man, he wanted it. That's crazy. He missed it like twice. Smacked it twice. Kept coming for it. He may have been the only one there. Shit, I hope I got some pretty good view of that fish. I didn't want to handle him for too long. There's another one. Okay, so they're stacked over here on the left side, or not really left side, but the other side of the bank. There's another one. Not that big, but hey, single hook jerk bait coming through. That's a little guy. Let's get you out of here, hand you real quick. You've been caught before. Ow. The hiccup. go. Nice brook. Here you go, girl. I did see one come up, but the current just might be too fast right there. That's okay. Let's keep moving. Let's go more water. Got the money. No one. Oh, just kidding, I got it. It came off. Felt pretty decent. Lame. Well, unfortunate me. That one that just came off right there. I can't tell if it was big. Felt like it was about the same size as the first one. Seems like there's a trail going up. Keep following the trail up. Water just keeps getting better and better, really. Just checked out the footage on that first trout, man. Yeah, I didn't get that good of a view of it. Sorry. Just take my word for it. It was a nice trout. But I'm gonna keep moving. Cover water. There's one. Get out of that current. There he is. Oh, there he goes. That was a nice brown. Oh well. There just. Oh, came off. Dang it. There's a little fish on it. I can't tell what that is. I think it's a bass. Bass on it. What is that? If I had trouble, then he'd be hooked. And that was a little spotted bass. Oh, just kidding. Oh. My lure just like got cut off. No, it didn't. It came off the dang swivel. What? Great. There goes, there it was right there. I could get it, actually. It stays right there. I can get it. Can't get it. What the fuck? I hate when this happens, man. I hate the dang swivel on this shit. But the swivel is what keeps it working well. I almost died. Oh, lure. Come here, lure. It's not that deep right here. And I got it back. Freaking lame. Right under here. Oof. There's one. I knew there was one right there. Let's see if it comes back for it. Oh my gosh, it came back for it, but I can't get a freaking hookup. Wants it though, that's for sure. Come on. I feel like I'm fishing for bedding bass right here. There he is. Wait. You're a lot smaller than I thought you were. Well, it was still a pretty good sized trout. That's cool. I had a bite at least. I think that was the one that was there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it came off. Hit that dang tree. Okay. Saw a bunch of fish following my lure. Pretty sure they're smallmouth now. And whatever that was, chasing my lure a while ago was I'm pretty dang sure it was it's probably smallmouth. Oh, smallmouth, man. That's cool. That's great. Just don't see any big ones hanging around. Man, it'd be crazy to get smacked by a big smallmouth here. As those school of fish just chasing. I'm pretty sure they're smallmouth though. The sun's not down yet, but I'm not really getting any more bites. I had like 2 hits and they both came off a while ago, off camera. So it's definitely slowing down. Just kidding. Take that back. There's one. Don't come off. I haven't landed a fish in forever. Okay, what are you? You are a nice brown. Yeah. Wipe my hands here. Try not to get any sand on my reel. Hooked right on the bottom lip. Comes right off. Little stubby one, to be honest. Little stub. Right, here you go. Oh, okay, there you go. I jinxed it. Good. It's a good jinx this time. Oh, lame. Dang it. I don't know if you got hooked or not. Well, my freaking lure did. It was freaking true root. Alrighty, made it all the way back. I think that's about calls it for this place here today. We'll go back to the car. I do have my bass gear. You know what? I might throw a frog in here real quick. See if there's any bass sitting in here. Seems like this spot right here seems pretty well wet year round. Yeah, let's do that real quick.